Meet Samira. Bright and conscientious, with potential for a promising future. Samira's SATs results told teachers she was academically average, so no cause for concern. But Samira struggled with written and oral assignments. She couldn't tell anyone. Finding the right words was difficult. Fortunately, Samira took CAT4, which revealed she was a spatial thinker. It was a light bulb moment. Things slotted into place. Samira's love of coding and ability to complete a Rubik's Cube in 30 seconds. Samira's scores explained her struggles and natural talents. CAT4 is one of few assessments to test spatial ability, which is linked to success in STEM. Samira's CAT4 report helped teachers adapt their teaching to build on her spatial abilities and boost her verbal skills. Today, Samira is thriving. Her once hidden abilities might be the ones to give her the brightest future.